So much green today. So I think this would be, what is this? Biden's first day, second day in office, first full day, 24 hours, almost. Okay, so we've got our banks, our big, our bank financial institutions pulling back a little bit. But the rest of the market, look at it. It looks good. It's all coming up. So let's look for a good day today in the market. Let's look for some good trades. Looks like Netflix is extremely active. Yeah, Netflix is very active. It looks like Ford is even a bit active today. But we've got some, looks like we should be taking a look at Dynatrace. Okay, let's check that out. It's managed to move 18%, but it's only got a 13 million cap. I don't like that. And Zoom, okay. Yeah. Alright, so let's go over here to our watch list. Let's see what we've got for today. Alright, now this is a blast-off scan for the S&P 500. And we've got a couple. We've got PM, we've got Norton, we've got, and Norton is one that's been on the radars. We've got Huntington, Ingalls Industries, we've got Carnival, Apple, looks like American Airlines is also on the list. Looks like we end up with this, I call this my AO5. And I've noticed it gives some nice signals of if you were to buy at the AO5, you see an increase in price. So, but it is not entirely accurate. I think I need to work on it and adjust it some. As you can see, that condition is not true anytime, but right here on the weekly. Let's go back to our daily. And it could be a bad thing, but we might see a drop. So that could finish out this pattern in Norton. And it looks entirely possible. Okay. So let's come over to our strategies here. See if we can pull something out of the just right out of the Thinkorswim box. Okay. And we're looking at Norton right now. Halloween, ITF. Reversion, RSI trend, a %B strategy, stochastic strategy. Here's some stop losses that you can throw in your, take profit or, yeah. So you can put a stop loss in there. So we can add that in. It can be a %. Or you can change it to a value or a tick. And of course your stop is, the price that or number you put in there. Trailing stops, they're here. Okay, so you can get your stop losses for your take profit and your, get out. Then of course you can do your long and your short sell here as well. Okay, how about this right out of the box trend following strategy? Let's get rid of everything else here, and we'll hit apply, we'll hit OK. Let's see how that does. So for a basic trend following strategy on a 4-hour chart, it doesn't work very well for Norton. Okay. Doesn't seem to work very well here either. It may need some adjustment. But it looks like it works much better for Apple or for stocks that are trending up. So if we were to go for a trend following strategy, and we can see that it works well with stocks that are trending, then we need to find stocks that are trending. So let's go into the watch list here. And a few videos ago, we built a upwards trending stocks scan. that was based on patterns. Okay, so we're going to look for that and pull that up. And we're going to go trending up patterns. Here we go. And let's give that a second to populate. That's a lot of information to ask for. So while it has a chance to think, we can go over here and see what this entails. And it's asking for the S&P 500 in a 1 year, 1 day time frame. Okay. Or we could even do, say a maximum available, or, just keep it to within, say the last, 360 days, 1 to 4 hours, and we can hit save, hit OK. Now we have altered this chart, but it may give us more results. So let's hope on that. Nothing's coming up yet, so let's see. What is this TD Ameritrade network? Okay, it's got some lists and things on it here. Okay. Looks like our trend following strategy would have done okay here. Alright. And your Carmillapoints strategy, which I really do like this strategy. I believe it works well. Okay. Let's get rid of that here, and let's see if it does give us a better result. It doesn't give us more money, but it does give us a good result. Let's see, Tesla's on the list for today on the TD Ameritrade network. Of course, it would not have done very well. This little spike right there was a horrible thing. So, let's check out American Airlines. Looks like it would have done well there. Would have made accurate trades. And this Tiffany and Company. Wow. Look at it go, but look, see how it's leveled off here now? Everybody is waiting to see what it's going to do. And it's just kind of like chilled and consolidated. So now we can see here today, we've had a nice big volume. Alright? So let's look for some action here. Of course, it looks like there will be some in Tiffany today. Looks like there was a bit of a buy. Okay, so from your low to your high of 132. I'm surprised Carmillapoints didn't catch this, but that's okay. There's always something else that will. Okay. Now the last indicator I kind of want to check out is called the Next Friday. Next 3rd Friday. That's it. Yes. That is it. So let's go with the next 3rd Friday. Okay. Now the reason why this is relevant is to options, okay? Now people who are interested in options, that's why we're going to pull up this particular indicator. But we can look for moves to happen when the 3rd Friday of every month strikes, okay? Now this is a particular day. There should also be one that has, does Tuesday, but anyway. So that is the indicator that I like to check out also. So when these Fridays hit, I like to be watching. So I'll wrap it up there. I'll continue on with the next 3rd Friday video in the next video. That way I can throw it in with some of those other options indicators that are going to help you maybe pick out some better options trades. Or referring specifically to options expiration. Yeah, let's go with that. So definitely comment down below. If you want to see some of that stuff, and of course, ask me any questions you want. I like talking to people, so oh yeah, hit the subscribe button, all that jazz. Since this is a YouTube video, but yeah, I will see you in the next YouTube video that I make on the next 3rd Friday, and how it relates to, the options expiration. So